queen. You are valued. You are loved. You are appreciated. You are needed. You feel me? You are joy. When you walk in the room, you demand that respect. Okay, you set the tone, queen. You are beautiful. You're freaking gorgeous, girl. What the hell? You see yourself, you know it. You feel me? You are you. You are that one.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janae Christina. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell from this video, or the title of this video, I am doing a review on my newer ring light. This particular ring light came from Amazon. It is the 18-inch outer. I'm not really sure what all comes in this package, but if you stay tuned, I will be able to show you everything. Also, link down below which one I got from Amazon. Just to put it out there, this one, it wasn't too expensive. I know the price, the normal pricing was about $99. I got it for about $84. I had some kind of code that came from Amazon. I guess if you're like a returning customer, they give you a discount. So we are gonna get into this package, and I'm gonna bring y'all along the way with me. So whatever I see, y'all see. So hopefully we gonna leave a good review for Amazon, and if not, we gonna send this bad boy back, and we gonna get another one. Period. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to move down to the floor because I will not be picking up this package. That's just too much. It's not heavy, but, you know, being pregnant and everything, I'm not trying to hold up nothing, okay? So, this is pretty much the size of the whole box itself. Let's get into this unboxing. Wasn't too hard. Ooh. This box is a pretty, it's not super big, but it's definitely pretty. It's big, you know, like it's big. It's no getting around it. It's big. All right, so you first open up the box, and what you have inside is another box, and just, so we're gonna set this to the side. Throw you over there. Okay. When you get your box out of your box, this is the box that you were looking at, and it has the ring light, and it has your stand. Okay. Oh, there's the fragile sign. Yeah, I was just paying attention to how on the actual shipping package there is no fragile sign, but the fragile sign is on the inside of the package that nobody can read. So if your item is damaged, thank Amazon for not putting fragile on the outer side of the package. Okay, I'm so excited and just eager to open this up. I feel like I'm breaking stuff. So far in the second box, you have a third box. You also have a package. How cool is that? So inside the box, you have your newer bag. And it feels like there's something in it. I don't know if it's just stuffing or what, but we will see in a minute. Inside the box, there is nothing else. So we are also done with this box. Okay. First, I'm going to open up the first box that came out of the second box. They really like boxes. Okay, this is a stand. You got some more stuff in there. So you have your stand that came out of this box. I'm gonna set that aside. And there's also something else in here. Another part to the stand. Now, the part that matters. The ring light. Another box. This box is everywhere. When I open up the second box, I see the packing list. So this ring light comes with a dimmable ring light, a ball head, a smartphone holder, Bluetooth receiver, a power adapter, a soft tube, a 61-inch light stand, a white and orange color filter set. That's what I was trying to figure out. I was trying to figure out what these were called because I was having a brain fart. And a carrying bag, which I already showed you guys. Here is the orange filter. There is the clear, or the, what is it, a white light? A white light filter. And all the cords and all that fun stuff. I'm gonna set all this stuff to the side because I tend to lose stuff. Like, I don't got any sense. I also have my set of instructions. Bluetooth remote shutter. This is also coming with the package. Shout out to you, Amazon, for that, because we love Bluetooth. We love Bluetooth. In the carrying bag, we have the actual ring light. So I'm gonna take her out. There is nothing else in here. The bag is empty. So far, you know, it seems pretty straightforward. It seems like this will be an easy assembly. Well, this is the ring light. This is how it's looking. Okay, and now for the instructions. If this is all in Spanish, I'm gonna be highly upset. Okay. Alright, there we go. Ring light. Everything is in English. Yes, English. We love English. I'm gonna just take this one out of here and unfold it. How you unfold it? There you go. I'm like, how you unfold this? Alright, clearly we're about to start standing up because y'all can't see a thing. So no more being lazy. A screw thing. What the heck? Oh. I think I did it right. I thought I broke it. I was gonna be so mad. Okay. I think it's good. Loosen the screw at the end of the soft tube, attach it to the top of the light stand, and tighten the screw again. We attach it to here, right? Yep. That's how you do that. That's how you do that. Then you tighten it. Tighten it and bring it closer. Now I'm going to loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light base. Loosen the screw at the bottom of the ring light.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Okay, this ring light. So the ring light base, we're going to loosen the screw. Oh no, I'm kind of scared. Like, what if it falls on my head? Just like, no. Do I tighten this? Yes, there we go. Basically, just tighten everything as you go, so nothing like falls on your head. So far, so good. Display effects of color filters. We're not displaying nothing. We are using white. I'm sorry. I probably will but test out the orange just for it to be a little helpful and to show you guys, because I don't know, maybe somebody who's watching would like to dim their lights. That person just won't be me. Okay, y'all, so I put on the filters. It was very simple to do. You just have to figure out like what order they go in, because they kind of overlap. So you don't want to press down on something that doesn't work out that way. We're going to put it here. And we're going to screw it tightly, like they said. Okay, it's screwed on there tightly. All right, I'm about to plug this up now. So this is the light. This is the lowest notch. And it gets brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start this over. This is with no ring light on currently. I do have the room light just because there's no daylight outside, so maybe tomorrow I can show you guys how it look with daylight. This is the lowest setting, higher setting, higher. Okay, it's a little too bright for me. I'm baxing down. I adjusted my ring light. Turn it on the lowest setting. That's the lowest setting. Another setting. I don't know. And then of course it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. And just brighter. I don't want it that bright. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try it with the light off and see how it looks. This is with no light in the room whatsoever. And I'm gonna turn it up. Okay, it gets pretty bright. And then of course, it gets brighter. And it doesn't look too bad. And you keep on making it brighter however you want it to look. I think this is a pretty good light setting. Pretty good for like makeup and, you know, just a good quality look. It's pretty straightforward. I feel like everything works the way that it should. They just needed to do a better job with. Are you kidding me? Y'all, just when I thought Amazon did not send me all of my things with my purchase, I found it. I feel so bad. I was tripping, but here it is. It's pretty cheap. It looks cheap. I'm not gonna lie. It's already a little damaged. It's not even focusing, but it's not the best quality. But I'd rather have it than to not have it, so I'm not even gonna complain like that. Hey guys, this is how the final product looks. I'm very pleased. It's everything I thought it would be. Comes with everything, and it's not damaged other than this part. But I won't make a big deal out of it. Brightest setting, pretty bright. Pretty much dims out the whole background. Really lights up the room. The thing is, it doesn't go like 1, 2, 3 on the brightest or lowest setting. It just kind of twists its way up and down the light scale. If you're wondering, this is how the light scale looks. Just like this. Yep. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, I'm pretty pleased. I would highly recommend, and yes, shop with Amazon, y'all. Get with them. I just want to show you guys the quality that the light really brings. So I'm going to use my hand as something for you guys to look at and to gradually see how much better the light helps. The ring light is totally off. It's not on any setting at all. Now it is on the lowest setting. As you can see, it's a little bit brighter. Still not the best quality. Now I'm going to show you guys the quality on the back of my hand. Lower quality. Lower quality. So from no light all the way to the brightest. Okay, you guys, so we got the unboxing out of the way. It is the next day and there is daylight outside. When I was recording, I was shooting when there was no daylight out whatsoever. So I'm hoping to show you guys the difference between daylight versus indoor light, I guess. Because, you know, I feel like it's just going to bring a different kind of effect if you use daylight and the ring light. So we're going to see how I like it, if I like it. Will I be using daylight or not? I don't know. Currently by a window. This is how things look with no ring light on at all. The blinds are opened, and now I'm just going to turn on the ring light and see how things look. So this is a pretty low setting. Not much of a difference, just a smidget, not a whole lot. Go brighter. I can see a little bit of a difference, you know. I mean, obviously it's gonna be brighter on this side because there's no light over here. But let me keep on going higher. I think I'm on the highest setting now. So this is how it looks. More light. I'll back up further. I feel like cooler colors instead of warmer colors always look better, in my opinion. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I will say that I feel like everybody needs a ring light, if we're being honest, especially somebody who is starting off new on YouTube like I am. If you are on a budget and you want quality, get this ring light, because it's gonna help you. It's gonna take you there. You know, baby steps to get you to the biggest step.
Period.
Period.
Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period. Period.
I mean, for $84, something sturdy, something that holds your phone or your camera and gives you good light, and you can adjust the height, you can adjust the brightness, you can do whatever you want with this ring light. Okay, so one thing that I did want to do was I wanted to show you guys how the ring light looks on my hands, just for quality purposes, with the daylight coming into the room versus last night when there was no daylight in whatsoever. So I'm going to also do that and just give you guys a little insight. This is no power, no light, lowest power, brighter,
and the brightest setting.
no light, all the way to the brightest setting. And now I'm going to reverse it and go back down. I feel like in the middle is pretty much where it's at. And you guys, this is just off of the iPhone 7 Plus. So imagine having a camera, a quality camera, or even a better upgraded iPhone than the one that I currently have, because I'm literally trapping, okay? Like, I'm trapping on this old iPhone, and I have this good quality because of daylight, a sturdy ring light, a bright light that's coming in, and just, you know, being able to set this thing up to the height that I want it to be at. You know, I can bend it any kind of way. If I want to angle it, I can angle it. And the ball head, which is what my phone is sitting on from the phone holder that comes with the ring light, I can readjust it. So say I bend my ring light. I'm going to show you guys the other way. So what I was trying to show you guys was me bending this mid part, and then readjusting the phone holder on the ball head just to have a good angle. So say I was to bend my ring light this way, okay? That way, I have a different angle. Ring light is still usable, of course. So nothing is falling over. We just have a ring light that's just over shifted. And then what will happen is your phone will still be at an angle, a very weird, odd angle. But this ball head is your best friend because, boom, set this back up the right way and have your phone angling as it should be, all while your ring light is doing what it needs to do. And that's your ring light, you guys. This is a bad lighting space, but I just want to show you guys how the orange filter looks with the light and not just the white filter. So this is the lowest setting, and it just gets brighter. And I don't really like the orange setting that much. It's just a little too warm for me. So if I was to use the orange filters, I would probably use 2 white filters. If you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment any questions or concerns that you have. I will again link the ring light that I have in the description bar below. And yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video, which will be more baby related, as this one was not baby related at all.